Thanks for joining this how-to video brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we'll learn how to enable country and territory pick lists. In Setup, enter state and country territory pick lists in the Quick Find box. Start by clicking Scan for state and country territory data. Next, click Scan for state and country territory data. An email will be sent to you when the scan of your data and customizations completes. Then, click the navigation link to return to the state and country territory pick lists. Once the scan is complete, click Convert Identified Data. Review your configured state and country territory data. Then, click Next. In this section, review changes in the Convert States change list. And click Next. Note that after enabling state and country territory pick lists, your changes cannot be undone. When you're ready, click Finish and Enable Pick Lists. And that's how to enable country and territory pick lists. To learn more, check out the other videos in this series. Search for topics in Salesforce Help, or come join us on the trail at trailhead.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.